Hi YouTubers, beautiful weather, beautiful birds. Last weekend when the royal wedding was taking place, I was in my garden looking at these beautiful birds, and we have this blue tit who is gathering food for its young. We placed a box in the garden, as you can see now, and you'll see it pop its head out and fly out in slow motion, going again once again to get more food for its young. And there it is, still gathering. Most of the day it will be gathering food for the chicks in the box that we placed in the garden. Now we see a beautiful robin coming and gathering food for its young as well. And then I believe that the blue tit will be back in a second. Very busy this time of year. There again we have this blue tit come back now. Very hard worker, this little blue tit. And off it goes again, back to the box, back and forward all day long. And then we have the robin back again. It's in slow motion. Hopefully you'll enjoy this. Take a longer look at this beautiful bird gathering food. We normally feed all the birds first thing in the morning, and then while I'm having breakfast I have with me the camcorder, and if I'm lucky I'll be able to get some good shots. And there's blue tit again, just briefly. It's in and out the trees. It's just gathering more and more and more food, which we provide for these birds winter and summer. Now we have a blackbird, very inquisitive, a bit unsure of itself, wants to get to the food, is up and down, just waiting for the right opportunity to come down and gather food. And here comes the old blue tit again, and there it goes. But the blackbird is still waiting around, coming down now shortly to see what he's left. There he is, beautiful bird, and he's very wary, obviously looking around, make sure there's no prey and nobody's watching other than me, and they'll go straight for the food. There it goes. Oh, saying something. Now's the time to go down and get some food. Everything's clear now, all clear. What are you waiting for? Nope, it's gone. There's a blue tit again. This blue tit is really feeding its young. And then we have a female blackbird. They normally stay on the ground. Now this is interesting. I've got a slow motion once again of the robin, and I hope you enjoy this because you see it take off in slow motion. I do like taking videos of birds in slow motion, of anything really that moves, like animals, dogs, and wildlife, because it gives you the opportunity to slow it right down to see the mechanism that they have to just fly into the air without any effort whatsoever. I hope you enjoy this. Right, we're going to get ready now to fly, and here we go. Now we have a blackbird here that's I've put in slow motion as well, and it's because that slow motion enables you to have a look properly at the bird, because birds are very quick to move, quick to fly, and to slow it right down you can have a look at how they're moving, and it's like a still. It's great to have the capability of slow motion on videos. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. All the very best, and goodbye.